Hello everybody, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. So today we'll look at the grand staff. I think I forgot to mention that you should be able to download this piece of paper from my website, so definitely go there and check it out. You should also be able to find a complete list of all the music theory tutorials. So today we'll look at the grand staff, but before you watching this video, you should have watched my video on reading the bass clef and also the treble clef. So today we're basically just combining them, and we call this the grand staff, alright? And there's a special note that we want to look at, and it's the middle C here. It's present here and here, and they're really just the same note. So I'm using a really wide, ruled paper here, and these two notes are actually just the same note. I could have written it like this. And later on, we'll look at the topic of ledger lines. So we'll worry about ledger lines later. But for now, just accept that this note is actually exactly the same as this one. And it's the middle C. And we'll call this note a C4 sometimes. And so what that means is it's the fourth note counting from the left of an 88 key piano. So if you look at a 88 key piano keyboard, then the fourth C note is the middle C. All right, so just some little information for you there. And today our goal is to do some exercise and get ourselves familiar with the notes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out a bunch of random notes. Alright, so I think that's enough. And then what we're going to do is we're going to write out all the E's, okay, that we can find in this grand staff. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's work on the treble clef first. So E is going to be here. There's one E here. And then an E here, right? Alright, so G. There's a G here. A, there's only one A here, I think. C, there's a middle C. And another C. F note, there's an F here. Another F here. B, there's a B here. And since we just learned about the middle C, there's another B here. Alright? So B and the middle C. Alright? F, another F. Alright, so that's our exercise on the treble clef. Let's do the same thing for the bass clef, on the bass clef. So E, so remember the acronym ACEG, so you got an E right here. I'm trying to line up everything, so E, alright. You got an E here. G, alright, so you got a G. Okay, so the way that I'm thinking about it, it's I try to think of these four lines as an A-7 chord, so A, C, E, G. All right, so A, you got an A here. You also got an A here. All right, C, you have a C. You also have this middle C. F, this is the F clef, so you got an F here. B, so you know this one is a C, right? So the one below it would be B. And also, since we know the middle C here, this one is also a B. Finally, let's do another F note. So only one F here that we can find. All right. So for you, you can repeat this exercise as many times as you want again until you are familiar with what's going on here. All right. So that's some good exercise that you can do every day to speed up reading the notes. All right. So that's it for this video. And like the video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you find these useful. Thank you.